Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are exploring stunning and modern mandir design ideas that can bring peace, positivity, and elegance into your home. Whether you live in a compact apartment, a contemporary house, or a traditional home, these mandir designs are beautiful, space-saving, and perfect for creating a serene prayer corner for daily worship. A home mandir is much more than a decorative corner. It is a sacred space that brings peace, positivity, and spiritual balance into everyday life. Whether you live in a spacious villa or a compact apartment, a thoughtfully designed mandir can become the heart of your home. Today's mandir designs beautifully combine traditional Indian craftsmanship with modern aesthetics, creating spaces that feel calm, elegant, and functional. Often considered the most peaceful area of a house, a mandir serves as the spiritual core of the home. Integrating a beautiful puja unit into this space creates a calming atmosphere that enhances positive energy and reflects rich Indian culture and traditions. Beyond its spiritual purpose, a well-designed unit adds elegance to the interiors while providing a dedicated, serene space for daily prayers. Ultimately, even a small mandir can feel grand and impactful when crafted with the right design choices. Marble mandirs symbolize purity and elegance, creating a serene atmosphere while beautifully reflecting light in modern homes. They offer a luxurious appearance combined with practical advantages, as they are durable, long-lasting, and highly easy to clean. Homeowners can incorporate sophisticated design enhancements to elevate their aesthetic, such as backlit marble panels, gold detailing, jali partitions, and intricate Om or lotus engravings. Ultimately, these stunning marble mandirs achieve their full visual potential when thoughtfully paired with warm lighting. Wall-mounted mandirs are an exceptionally popular choice for modern apartments and compact homes because their floating design saves valuable floor space while giving any room a clean, stylish look. These highly practical units are ideal for flats or small rooms, offering easy installation alongside a modern, minimalist appearance. Homeowners can choose from various elegant design ideas, including wooden floating shelves with carved back panels, white laminate units equipped with built-in LED lighting, traditional teak wood structures accented with bells, or contemporary marble finish shelves. Wooden mandirs remain a timeless choice for home sanctuaries, bringing warmth and enduring spiritual charm through their rich natural textures. Crafting these sacred spaces typically involves premium materials like teak, rosewood, and shisham wood, though engineered wood with a sleek laminate finish offers a durable modern alternative. To honor heritage design, these temples frequently incorporate classic architectural elements, including elegant temple-style domes, structured pillars, stately arches, intricate hand-carved details, and gleaming brass bells and handles. They harmonize beautifully with traditional Indian interiors, spacious villas, and living rooms styled with classic decor. Ultimately, a handcrafted wooden mandir serves as more than a place of worship. It instantly becomes a breathtaking visual focal point that elevates the entire home. Unused corners can be transformed into beautiful, highly space-efficient puja spaces, making corner mandirs ideal for small apartments, studio homes, and compact living rooms. You can easily create a peaceful spiritual retreat with thoughtful design by adding corner floating shelves, hanging diyas, and soft LED strip lighting. Completing the look with indoor plants or brass accessories elevates the ambience, turning a simple corner into a serene sanctuary. Modern homes often require multifunctional furniture, making mandirs with built-in storage an ideal choice to keep the puja area organized and clutter-free. These designs maintain a neat, sacred appearance by incorporating practical storage features, such as drawers for incense and lamps, cabinets for religious books, and hidden compartments for accessories. To ensure both durability and style, these contemporary prayer units are best constructed using premium materials like laminated wood, plywood with a veneer finish, or MDF with an acrylic coating. Glass mandirs offer a sleek and contemporary look, creating a bright and airy appearance that is perfect for modern interiors, minimalist homes, and luxury apartments. These elegant structures beautifully combine sophisticated design elements, such as frosted Om patterns, LED-lit glass shelves, and gold or silver metal frames, with transparent side panels that maintain an open, spacious feel. By blending these stylish materials, glass mandirs add a touch of modern sophistication to any room while still preserving a deeply spiritual and serene atmosphere. Open shelf mandirs are simple yet elegant prayer spaces that focus on minimalism and functionality. They are affordable, easy to customize, and perfectly suited for compact spaces. To style this arrangement beautifully in a contemporary home, you can use wooden floating shelves paired with warm lighting, decorative wallpaper as a backdrop, and brass idols and diyas. Jali designs seamlessly bring traditional artistry into modern interiors by utilizing decorative partitions that create privacy while keeping the living space visually open. These architectural features are commonly crafted from modern and classic materials alike, including CNC-cut MDF, solid wood, sleek metal, and lightweight acrylic panels. They often showcase elegant patterns such as intricate lotus motifs, sharp geometric designs, and traditional floral carvings. Ultimately, integrating Jali partitions into a home adds immense elegance and architectural beauty, making them especially popular for defining sacred puja areas. For larger homes, floor-to-ceiling mandirs create a grand and luxurious appearance that brings a temple-like atmosphere directly into your living space. These majestic structures are perfectly suited for dedicated puja rooms, expansive living areas, villas, and duplex homes. They combine a highly spacious prayer area with large, integrated storage space to keep all your ritual items organized. Enhanced by premium lighting and decorative wall panels, these mandirs serve as a striking architectural focal point that elevates the spiritual ambience of the entire house. Modern interior trends heavily focus on simplicity and clean lines, allowing minimalist mandirs to blend seamlessly into contemporary homes. These serene spaces create a calm, clutter-free spiritual environment by utilizing a neutral color palette dominated by white, beige, and light wood tones. They emphasize sleek finishes, hidden storage to conceal clutter, and soft lighting to enhance the peaceful atmosphere. Subtle accents of soft gold are often incorporated to add a touch of warmth and elegance without overwhelming the design. Lighting plays an important role in enhancing the beauty and peacefulness of a mandir, as warm lighting creates a divine and inviting atmosphere. To achieve this serene ambience, popular options include warm LED strip lights for a soft glow, hanging pendant lamps that add elegance, and traditional brass diyas for authentic warmth. Additionally, backlit panels can beautifully highlight the sacred space, while focused spotlights for idols draw attention to the central deities. Choosing the right colors can significantly improve the spiritual ambience of your home. Incorporating white creates a sense of purity, while gold adds an elegant touch to the sacred space. Beige introduces comforting warmth, and light yellow infuses the area with positive energy. For those seeking traditional charm, wooden textures work beautifully. To foster a positive spiritual environment, traditional Vastu principles emphasize that the northeast is the ideal direction for establishing a sacred space like a mandir. To maintain its sanctity and ensure an optimal flow of energy, it is essential to keep the area clean and clutter-free, while strictly avoiding the placement of mandirs near bathrooms. Additionally, constructing the altar with natural materials like wood or marble enhances its purity and longevity. Finally, providing proper ventilation and bright lighting ensures the space remains vibrant, inviting, and filled with positive spiritual energy. Decorative accessories can significantly elevate the beauty of your puja space, adding small details that make the mandir feel warm and sacred. Enhancing the environment with traditional elements like brass bells, diyas, and lanterns creates a radiant, inviting atmosphere. Incorporating fresh flowers and dedicated incense holders engages the senses with color and fragrance, while spiritual wall art alongside marble or brass idols establishes a profound focal point for devotion.